What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to basically set up a demo account using Gates FX through TradeLocker. So as always, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up and comment below on what you think. Now, what a demo account is basically you're trading but with like fake funds. It's not real money. Think of it like Monopoly money. Some might ask, well, what's the purpose of this, right? It's simply to get better at trading, learning how to use a platform, how to buy, how to sell, how to close your positions, how to take partial positions, how to scale in, scale out. Basically, you're learning everything there is about trading, how to use an actual account before using your own money. Because the last thing you want to do is get into a trade and then you don't know what you're doing, and then you're basically losing your entire account because you're trying to figure out and navigate how to get in, how to get out of trades. Because I've seen people, they get in a trade and they don't know if they bought it or sold it. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to set up a demo account step by step. So with that being said, let's get to it. So here is the inside of the Gates FX account screen, basically the platform. So what you're gonna do is basically I have 3 live accounts. You guys can see right here I have live accounts. I got 1, 2, 3 of them, and then obviously my wallet. So I've made other videos going over what is all of this, so check out those other videos on my YouTube channel. But I don't have a demo account, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to open demo account, and then when you go to open demo account, this is obviously you want to hit this little drop down account category. You want to use TradeLocker demo, hit continue, and then obviously you want to select your account type. Now obviously the raw ECN account, that's 1 to 1000 leverage. You can go raw ECN 1 to 500 leverage, and then STP account. So basically, like with raw ECN, there's still commission, but the commission is very, the spread is very low. And then obviously STP account, there basically is a bigger spread between the buyers and the sellers, but it's basically no commission. So it really doesn't matter which one you go with, so you can basically pick between those. In this case, I'm just going to do raw ECN 1 to 500 leverage, because I always like the tightest spread. And then this is where you get to pick your balance. You can do 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, or 100,000. This is what I recommend. People are gonna do whatever they want, right? But if you're trading, if you know you only have $3,000 and that's what you're gonna start trading with, it's $3,000, and then you use $3,000. If you have an account, let's say you like, no, I got only $500 to my name. Okay, well then you're gonna pick the $1,000 account. And someone might argue saying, why would you pick the $1,000 account when you could pick the $100,000 account? It's simple. You're gonna use a demo account and think you're gonna use a demo account and treat it as if it's a real account, right? Because if you go with the $100,000 account, you're basically gonna be gunslinging, right? Because you can always reach out to Gates FX, say, yo, I want to. You can always open another demo account. You can open multiple demo accounts, or basically have them reset it. But you want to open a demo account and treat it as if it's a real account. I can't tell you how many times. It's actually very frustrating. It pisses me off how many people get demo accounts and they treat them as if they're like, they don't take them serious. And yes, you're using it to practice trading and learn trading and learn the platform. But at the same time, people will get a $100,000 demo account and they're basically taking it, they're taking the biggest position size. Well, you wouldn't even do that with your real account. So nonetheless, again, if you have $5,000, you got $5,000. So you hit continue, and then boom. Your account is basically saying raw ECN, 1 to 500 leverage, demo, US dollar, 5,000 US dollar, hit continue. And then once you hit continue, you have been issued a login, the server, the US dollar, right? So obviously, it will email you your password. It says below in the details of your new account. We've also sent it to your email address, yada, 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 whatever your email address is. So now, what you're going to do is when you're going to go back to either trade on TradeLocker, you go to the desktop platform or you can go to the browser, and you're going to want to log in this with your email address, your password, and the server. The server is basically going to be, the Gates FX. You're going to copy that, and you're basically going to put that in the server right here. And then obviously your email address and your password is what you're going to put in, and you're gonna hit login. So I'm gonna do that right now and then come back to this video. All right, so now you guys can see we are successfully logged into our demo account. So then Here on the right hand side are all the different instruments we could trade, depending on what you want to trade. Forex pairs. I mean, you could even trade stocks if you want to. There's Tesla. So I could bring up Tesla right here. Here's Tesla. You could trade Tesla if you wanted to. You could trade obviously US 30. That's the one we focus on trading, US 30. You could trade NAS 100. You could trade all the Forex pairs. And basically you could practice with this. You could practice. You guys can see right here, I got a $5,000 account balance. And then you can basically learn how to use this, place real trades. Obviously, again, treat this as a real account, right? You can do market, pending, sell, buy, your position size. Again, I have a whole video on how to use TradeLocker. I got multiple videos on my YouTube channel, how to use TradeLocker, how to buy, sell, partials. So again, it's very, very important for you to start with a demo account. Don't start with real money. Start with a demo account, learn how to use the platform, learn how to execute your trades, how to buy, how to sell, right? And this is practice. Practice will make perfect. So again, I don't recommend starting with real money because people would just be like, oh yeah, I started with real money. My very first day, I lost my entire account. Okay, because you didn't know what you're doing. You didn't know how to trade. So this is why you want to start with a demo account. Practice makes perfect. So that's it for this video, how to set up a demo account, how to use it with TradeLocker through Gates FX. As always, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment below what you think. If you guys are interested in signing up with the same broker as me, eventually when you're done using a demo account, you can use a live real account, and they will give you a 100% matching deposit bonus with my link. So that means if you deposit 500, they will give you 500. Catch you guys in the next one.